Hello! I have the new Envy Airstyler here, and it couldn't have come sooner because this girl right here needs some help. So let's unpack it, let's look at it, and you're gonna get my absolute first impressions. We're gonna use it for the first time together. So if that is what you're looking for, then you have found the right video, and let's play with this new tool from Envy. My name's Tia. I am the owner and operator of Tia Maria Wigs. We are online at tmwigs.com, and you can come visit our new boutique in person at 220 West Plum Street, Suite 450 in Edinburgh, PA 16412. But today, Envy released the new 3-in-1 Airstyler, and it just came in. Ooh, oh my goodness gracious. This is so fancy. And I have this wig here. This is Dolce 23. And as you can see, she's pretty raggedy. So I'm going to check this out and we're going to figure this out. So it says that the 3-in-1 Airstyler has the ionic technology, no heat damage, for use on all alternative hair. Okay, so heat safe, non-heat safe, synthetics, blends, all the things. This box is nice. Look at this. You got the little like soft touch thing. He put a little quote in here. I mean, this is luxurious. It says, I've always been passionate about empowering women to feel confident and unique. That's why I'm excited about the Envy Airstyler. This amazing tool allows you to create a variety of looks effortlessly, giving you the freedom to express your individual style. And it says, visit our video library for step-by-step tutorials. I can link that. The video is also linked in the product listing on my website as well. But it looks like you have these 4 different pieces. So you have the main air styler, and then you have these different attachments. So this is one of the first attachments. Then you have this attachment here. And then this is the third attachment. You can see the air would go right through there. And then you have the main tool part. This box is so nice to like keep everything in. I keep like all my wig goodies in there. And then it does come with this insert, which tells you all about, oh, this is so nice. It shows you how to use it. Okay. And then it shows you different things. So this one is talking about before and after with the human hair and the human hair blends. Then it talks about the before and after with the heat safe and synthetic fibers. So it's just showing you like different, there's a lot in here. So this is really nice. They're not just like leaving you out to dry. So they're saying that for heat friendly fiber and synthetic fiber, this was the before and the after, so it's like straight, and we're just going for a straight. It's just these ends are so raggedy, and I was going to trim this out, but I want to see what this is all about. So this is using the oval smoothing brush. That's this. So let's try that first with this one, because this is adding in beach waves, and then this one is adding in a lot of different waves and using the curling wand. Okay, so why don't we do this? We're going to go through, listen, this is off the cuff right now. We're going to use one of each thing. So we're just going to do this together right now. Scary. Now, for the most part, you should use this on a mannequin head. I'm going to use it on myself because that's just how I do things here. It says to use this oval piece, you want to divide the hair into medium sections, spray with water, and then smooth the hair into a downward direction until completely dry. Do I have a water sprayer? I don't think so. Okay, let me get some water and I'll be back. Okay, so I ran out and got a little spray bottle thing so that we can do what it's saying to do. So let's just try one side and see what's up with that. So I'm going to go ahead and divide the hair like it says. I feel like I should do a little detangling. I'm just going to use the Renee Paris wire wig brush. I've already brushed it, so it should be fine. But I want to give you a close-up of like kind of what it's looking like. Do you see that? How it's just real janky like. This is, like I said, Belle Tress's Dolce 23, and it is a heat safe synthetic. So let's just focus on this side here. Okay, so she's brushed out. And again, the tools that I'm using, the techniques, this is what I'm doing. This is how I, want to do them. If you have different thoughts or different techniques that you've used, please share them down below. But we're all different, so just keep that in mind. And this is a brand new tool. It's just been released. So I'm learning just like you'll be learning. So I'm going to spray this like it says. Divide hair into medium sections. Spray hair with water. I'm doing mostly just the ends, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and spray. And then I am going to split this into 2 sections. So we're going to go ahead and put that back there. And I'm going to concentrate on this section. So we're going to get the tool. We are using the oval smoothing brush. This is the front. It shows you right here where to put it in and when it's locked. And it has little arrows on the actual tool to show you. And you could hear the little click. Okay, so we have off and cool air function right here. We have the dryer function right here, like whether it's higher or lower. And then there is a high, medium, and low down here as well. So let's start with the low. Oh, it's preset to low. So it says smooth the hair in a downward direction until completely dry. Let's just put it on medium. Oh, and then this is how you can release the attachment. Plug it in all the way. All right, let's see. Okay, so here's some thoughts already. This section here, which is like the low, dry, high, dry, this is actually the on and off period. So this is how you turn it on and off. This here is whether you want that cool shot or not. This is a heat safe synthetic, so I didn't need to do that. So I started with the cool air, which was nice, but then I went ahead and turned it off. This is the temperature down here. So this low, medium, high is actually the temperature. So you can't like set a particular temperature. I'm on medium. So I noticed, I think medium on high air for this piece is what is working best. I also feel like I started with these as one section, but this is the right amount because this is almost dry, and then this is now getting dry because I'm doing them separately. So just want to give you my thoughts as I'm doing it. Okay, back to it. Okay, it's fully dry. It does feel better. I do feel it's still a little janky. So in terms of like repairing, maybe this wasn't the right one, but I mean, this was supposed to be the one to smooth. But let's do like a comparison because this is the side that's not done. So I visually see a difference on the like underneath part. But I do feel like it isn't what I was hoping for, like with the Renee Paris flat iron. I feel like it kind of repairs the fibers. However, I just use water. So I am going to use a little bit of the Tressolure leave-in conditioner. Let's see if that actually helps. Okay, I don't know where I put my dual leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to try this Renee Paris Revive liquid. This is the spray that Renee Paris suggests for the flat iron. So let's see if this is going to do what I'm looking for it to do. Let's just see. Okay, that definitely helped using that spray. All right, now I would like to do a comparison. So I can now see, like, for me at least, I can see a visual difference. Do you see how this is definitely wonky on this side? Even when I comb it out, you can see right here, it's just real froggy. I also kicked it up to the highest heat, and I do feel that that helps. The fibers do feel better. Okay, so I feel like I got it to do what I wanted it to do, which was to make the fibers not feel so dried out on the ends. Well, you know, when you get these types of coloring where it's especially lighter at the end, and especially when you get closer to any, you know, light colors or blonde colors, they can just get kind of froggy looking in general. And so I would have no problem just like trimming it up. Yeah, I do like this. I can see to my own eye a difference. I'm gonna actually take a photograph. All right, I just took some photos and I can see in the photo that there is a difference. So I'm gonna include the photo in here, but you can see this is the side I use it on and this isn't. So there definitely is a noticeable difference. So yeah, this is the side that I didn't use it on, and then this is the side that I did, and you can see they're smoother. You can see that visually than this. Okay, Alan, eat in. Okay, no. All right, so that is using the oval smoothing brush. What I'm gonna do is keep playing with this. So I use the oval smoothing brush on a heat safe synthetic, all right? So this is my first impressions in general, how to use the thing, and using it for the oval smoothing brush on a heat synthetic fiber, okay? I'm gonna keep playing with different wigs, keep playing with the different attachments. I'll keep releasing those videos, and then I'll put one all together with like a comprehensive, this is what I think, tips, tricks, all of that, okay? So this is part one. If you have this tool and you've used it, especially if you use the oval smoothing brush, please put those tips down below and keep an eye out for the follow-up videos. Okay, bye.